Hey everyone! So you've got your American Express card, and now you're wondering how to actually use it for payments. Let me show you all the ways you can make payments with your Amex. The easiest way to start is by adding your Amex card to digital wallets. You can add it to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay in just a few taps. Open your wallet app, tap the plus sign, and scan your Amex card. Once it's added, you can tap to pay at millions of contactless terminals worldwide. For online shopping, Amex is accepted at most major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Best Buy. Just enter your card, number, expiration date, and CVV at checkout. Pro tip: a circumflex euros. Many online stores have special Amex offers that give you statement credits or extra rewards points when you use your Amex. Now let's talk about recurring payments. If you want to use Amex for subscriptions like Netflix, Spotify, or your phone bill, just go to the payment settings of each service and add your Amex card as the primary payment method. Some services even offer bonus rewards for using Amex. For paying bills, your Amex card can be used for utility bills, insurance premiums, and even rent through third-party payment services. Just check if the biller accepts credit cards directly or use a service like Plastic that lets you pay bills with your Amex for a small fee. International payments are a major benefit of Amex. Your card works in over 160 countries worldwide, and you get competitive exchange rates. Just let your card issuer know before you travel so your payments don't get flagged. Business owners can also accept Amex payments from customers. If you run an online store, you can set up Amex as a payment method through processors like Stripe, Square, or PayPal. This opens your business to millions of Amex cardholders worldwide. One more thing: a circumflex euros. Set up autopay on your Amex account. Log into your online account, go to payments, and enable automatic payments from your bank account. This ensures you never miss a payment and helps build your credit history. So whether you're shopping online, paying bills, traveling abroad, or running a business, Amex has you covered. Start using your card today, and don't forget to check your Amex offers for extra savings. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more Amex tips. Thanks for watching.